Today, I want to show you something very powerful, the Google AI workflow ecosystem. This ecosystem shows how Google's AI tools work together. And if you're a freelancer or a creator, this is also a map of income opportunities for you. Let's quickly look at what each tool does and how you can use it to make money online. Let's start with Gemini AI. Gemini is Google's main artificial intelligence model. It helps you write content, generate ideas, analyze information, and automate tasks. Freelancers already use tools like this to create blog posts, YouTube script, marketing content, email newsletter, and social media posts for their clients. Many Fiverr or Upwork gigs today are simply people using AI to produce content faster. Gemini's a recent addition, which is creating music that's now available. Go and try it out and see how you like the sounds. I've created 2 songs and I really liked them.
African queen, you to the trial. Every single day you shine your light to from the.
So yeah, Google is like on a warpath. Next, let's have a look at Google AI Studio. Google AI Studio is the place to access Google's AI models before they are publicly released. It brings tools for generating text, images, audio, and video into one platform. This is where developers and advanced users can build AI-powered tools using Gemini. For example, you can create chatbots, AI assistants, or custom automation tools for businesses. As a freelancer, you can sell these solutions to companies that want AI support without building their own systems. Then we have NotebookLM. You've heard about NotebookLM. Everybody's raving about this tool online. NotebookLM helps you organize large amounts of information and turn it into summaries, insights, and even podcasts. You can upload anything from PDFs, articles, YouTube videos, etc. And it instantly turns that material into a podcast, video, or a presentation, and even more. This is extremely useful for researchers, content creators, and educators. So freelancers can offer services like document summarization, research breakdowns, or turning content into podcast-style script. Next, let's look at Imagen. Imagen generates high-quality AI images from text prompts. Imagen is Google's most realistic image generation model, capable of producing highly detailed photographic visuals from text. Freelancers can use this to create thumbnails, book covers, marketing graphics, blog images, and social media visuals. Many Fiverr sellers and freelancers already make money generating custom AI images for their clients. We also have Lumiere. Lumiere is focused on realistic, smooth videos directly from text or images. Unlike VEO3, which focuses on cinematic visual quality, Lumiere is built around natural, lifelike movement, making the output feel more real and fluid. This opens huge opportunities for freelancers to create short marketing videos, social media content, and promotional visuals for businesses. Another interesting tool is Whisk. Whisk focuses on creative generation, helping transform ideas into visual, creative outputs, etc. Designers and creators can use tools like this to quickly produce concept art or creative assets for their clients. This tool, although moving to Flow soon, it blends up to 3 different images into a completely new scene. You can mix objects, styles, and environments, and it generates a single coherent composition that looks like one real photo. It's perfect for creating unique visuals that aren't possible from a single prompt. Next, we have Google Earth. I love Google Earth. With AI combined with geographic data, businesses can analyze locations, logistics, real estate opportunities, and tourism data. Freelancers can create reports or visual presentations for property, travel, or logistic companies. Let's look at Nano Banana. This tool has quickly become one of the most widely used tools for image editing and generation. Creators are using it for covers, visuals, and complete creative pieces because of its speed, precision, and realistic output. Then we have Opal and Gems. Gemini Gems are like specialized mini AI tools focused on different skills such as writing, analyzing, or coding. These are Google's answer to custom GPTs. Think of them as custom assistants designed for specific tasks. Freelancers can use these to work faster, deliver high quality results for their clients. And then Google Opal is a powerful tool for creating mini AI apps in just a few seconds. It lets you build quick prototypes using Google's model for text, images, video, and audio without writing any code. Perfect for instantly creating AI-powered tools and workflows. And then finally, my favorite, Google Flow. Flow connects everything together through automation. This means you can build workflows where AI generates content, creates visuals, analyzes data, delivers results automatically. When you combine these tools, you can build an entire AI-powered freelance business, writing content, creating graphics, generating videos, analyzing data, and automating workflows for clients. And that's why understanding this ecosystem is so powerful, because every tool you've just seen represents a potential service you can sell online. The trick is master one, know it very well, and specialize in that, and then move on to the next tool. If you enjoy content like this, watch this next video. I will see you with our next video.